Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I don't know why I'm whispering. There's absolutely nobody here. I'm in Brickyard Park, close to home. This is my favorite park. It's so quiet. You can probably, if I stop talking, you can probably hear nothing except for a few birds, maybe a seal or sea lion. That's about it. So I'm gonna take a walk around. I've got my X100v just kind of sitting behind me. There's lots of little benches around the edge of the water. Just a great spot to sit for hours. You could sit here, just watch the water, watch the waves. I'm just gonna walk around, take a few pictures, and I hope you enjoy.